Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get the code by SMS in Telegram. So, what you need to do is go ahead and log into your Telegram account. Open the Telegram account, click on Start Messaging, and now enter the phone number in which you want to send your code or from which you want to log in into. After clicking it, click on the next button and then a code will be sent to you via OTP. Click on yes, wait for a while, and then you can click on tap to get a code via SMS. If you click this, you will get a code in your SMS. Wait for a while and shortly an OTP will come to your SIM. Telegram will automatically authenticate it and then you will be logged in into your account. So this is how you get Telegram code by SMS. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.